Falafel. Pitas with dried chickpeas. A main dish from Georgia. Serves 4. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Pick out foreign matter from between the peas. Place in a large bowl, cover generously with water and soak overnight. Step 2. Drain peas. Add onion, garlic, bread, parsley, and red sweet pepper. Run through the fine blade of a meat grinder. You may process in food processor until mealy. Step 3. Add spices, flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder and water. Mix well. Step 4. In a small dish, mix the remaining baking powder and water. Use it to moisten the palm of your hands and form balls of the chickpeas mixture the size of walnuts, then flatten a bit. Step 5. Deep fry in oil at medium-high heat until golden brown. Serve piping hot. Step 6. Arrange in halved loaves of pita, Arabic bread, topped with salad vegetables and tahina sauce. Some people love it topped with sauerkraut, wedges of tomato and tahina sauce. Hot pepper may also be sprinkled on top. Countries, travel.